Shri Gurupyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 2, exercise 2.7, fourth sum. Find the number of terms in the following GP. 4, 8, 16, etc. The last term is what? 8192. So what is the first term? A equal to 4. What is the common ratio? R equal to 8 by 4 equal to 2. 16 by 8 equal to 2. What is the last term? Tn equal to 8192. What is the formula for Tn? Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. So AR power n minus 1 equal to what is the value of this? Tn 8192. A value is 4. R value is 2. Power n minus 1 equal to 8192. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 8192 by 4. You bring this 4 to the next side, it become division by 4. It gives 2 power n minus 1 equal to, you can cancel the term 2048. 2048. 2 power n minus 1 equal to, you can do it in the upper column, L division method, 2048. 2 likewise you can do it here. What is the value we are getting? This is 2 power 10. So 2 power 11. 2 power 11. You can do it everything in the upper column and then you can check the value and then write, because if the bases are same here, 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power 11. If the bases are same, n minus 1 equal to 2 power 11. Bases are same, you can equate the powers. N minus 1 equal to 11. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? N equal to 12. See the second subdivision, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, etc. 1 by 2187. So A equal to, what is the first term? A equal to 1 by 3. What is the common ratio? 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. It's reciprocal, that value 3 by 1 into 1 by 9. Cancel the thing. What is the value? 1 by 3. What is Tn? Tn equal to 1 by 2187. 2187. So what is the formula? AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 2187. A value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 2187. So it gives the 3 goes to this side. This means what? See here, 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to, you can bring that 3 to the next side. It gives 3 by 2187. You cancel the value, 729. 729. 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 729. You can do the upper column by L division method. You can do it as a 3 table because by 3 is there. So you can take it as a 3 as the LCM. You can do it by the 3 method. See, 3 2s are 6, 243. Likewise you can do the sum, 81, 3, 27, 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 power 6. 3 power 6. So 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 3 the whole power 6, because 1 power 6 the value is what? 6 only. You can, if the bases are same, we can equate the powers. So n minus 1 equal to 6. What is the n value? What is the n value here? N equal to 7. See the sixth sum. In a GP, the ninth term is 32,805 and the sixth term is 1,215. Find the 12th term. So the ninth term is 32,805. Okay. The sixth term is what? 1,215. What is the formula for Tn? Tn in GP is a r power n minus 1. A r power n minus 1. So T9 equal to a r power 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. T9 value is what? 32,805. So a r power 8 equal to 32,805. You can take it as 1. In the same way, what is the next one? T6. T6 is what? A r power 5. N minus 1, 6 minus 1. Okay, a r power, or you can do it as 6 minus 1. A r power 6 minus 1 equal to, what is the value they have given? 1,215. So a r power 8. A r power 8 equal to 32,805. First one, a r power 5. A r power 5 equal to 1,215. You can take it as 2. Divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. What is the value you are getting? A r power 8 by a r power 5 equal to 32,805 by 1,215. A get cancelled. R power 5, this is r cube. You can do it in your upper column, everything. You cancel the value, you are getting the value 27. You do it everything in the upper column, you check the value and then you can write it here. So r cube equal to 27. R cube equal to 27 means what? 3 cube. So if the powers are equal, you can equate the base. What is the r value? R equal to 3. R equal to 3, you can substitute in the second equation. R equal to 3, substitute in second term. Second term, what is the value? A 3 power 5. Instead of or, I put it here 3. 3 power 5 equal to 1,215. A 3 power 5 is what? 243. 3 3s are 9, 27, 81, 243. 243 equal to 1,215. A equal to 1,215 by 243. Always you check the final number 3. Here also 5. 3 5s are 15. So you multiply 243 by 5. You get the answer. Check it like that. A equal to 5. In 3 table, where it is 5 comes, 3 5s are 15. So A equal to 5 and R equal to 3. Then you should find out the value of what? 12th term. 12th term. So you should find out the value of T12. You should find out the value of T12. T12 equal to, what is the formula? A r power 12 minus 1. A r power 12 minus 1. T12 equal to A r power 12 minus 1. What is the value of A? 3. Yeah, what is the value of A? 5. 5. What is the value of R? 3 power 11. 5, 3 power 11. See, find the 10th term of your GP whose 8th term is 768 and common ratio is 2. So, what is the 10th term? What is the formula? Tn equal to A r power n minus 1. A r power n minus 1. So the 10th term is meaning is what? 10th term, you should find out the 10th term of the GP. So T10 you should find out the value, but 8th term value is given. It is nothing but what? 768. So A R power n value is 8 minus 1 equal to 768. A R power 7 equal to 768. What is the ratio or value they have given? R equal to, they have given us what? 2. So you can substitute instead of R, A into 2 power 7. 2 power 7 equal to 2 power 7 equal to 768. What is the value of 2 power 7? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So A power A into 128, not power, A into 128 equal to 768. So A equal to 768. 768 by 128. See the last term, last number, not last number, 8. Here also 8. In 8 table where it ends with 8, 8 6 are 48. You will check like this, 8 6 are 48. So you multiply 128 into 6, 8 6 are 48, balance 4, 6 2s are 12, 16, balance 1, 768. So A equal to 6. So you should find out the value of T10. T10 equal to 6 into R power 2 power. R value is what? 2 power 10 minus 1. It gives 6 into 2 power 9. 6 into 2 power 9. 6 into 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 9 is what? 512. So what is the final value for this? 3072. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 2, exercise 2.7, 8th sum. If A, B, C are in AP, then 3 power A, 3 power B and 3 power C are in GP. You should prove that 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. If the terms A, B, C are in AP, what is the meaning for AP? Arithmetic progression. What is the condition for AP? B equal to A plus C by 2. So 2B equal to A plus C. To prove, what we have to prove? To prove 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. What is the condition for GP? B square equal to AC are in GP. So what is the condition for that GP? 3B the whole square equal to B square equal to AC. B square equal to AC. That is the condition for GP. So you can take it as 3B the whole square. 3B the whole square. What is that formula? You know that indices formula. What is that formula? A power m whole power n equal to A power mn. It is the exponential formula. So it gives 3 power 2b. 3 power 2b. So from 1 it gives 3b the whole square equal to 3 power 2b equal to 3 power a plus c. So you can split the term. You can split the term 3 power a into 3 power c, because if the bases are same you can add the powers. It is nothing but what? It is nothing but what? Right hand side. It is nothing but a right hand side. Therefore 3 power a, 3 power b, 3 power c are in GP. Are in GP. Is it clear, dear? See the ninth sum. In a geometric progression, the product of three consecutive terms is 27 and the sum of the product of two terms taken at a time. You see here the product of two terms taken at a time. Two terms you can take it, that consecutive terms you can take it as a two terms at a time. Sum of the is 57 by 2. Find the three terms. So you can take it as the consecutive terms. Let the three consecutive terms. Let the three consecutive terms are consecutive terms of GPR. What is that? I told you. What is that? Yeah, A by R, comma, A, comma, AR. Good. A by R, comma, A, comma, AR. Product of. What is the meaning for the product? Multiplication. A by R into A into AR equal to 27. Product of three consecutive terms is 27. You cancel that R and R. That is A cube equal to 27. A cube equal to 3 cube. What is the value of A? A equal to 3. The value of A equal to 3. What is the next term they are given in the question? Sum of the product of two terms taken at a time. Sum of the product of two terms taken at a time. That is A by R into A plus A into AR plus AR into A by R. See here. Sum of the product. Sum of the product of two terms. Sum of the product of two terms taken at a time. Two terms taken at a time. Taken at a time. So, first consecutive terms, first two terms. Product A by R into R plus, what is the next term? A into AR. What is the next one? AR into A by R. AR into A by R equal to, what is the given? 57 by 2. It is given as what? 57 by 2. So what is the meaning for this? See, A square by R plus A square R plus, what is that? A square plus A square equal to 57 by 2. So you can take it as A square commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 1 by R plus 1 equal to 57 by 2. What is the value of A? A value is equal to 3. So 3 square into 1 by R plus 1 equal to 57 by 2. 9 into 1 by R plus 1 equal to 57 by 2. You can cancel the term. 9 term, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 3s are 9. 3 19s are 20. 3 19s are 57. So what is the value for this? 1 by R plus 1 equal to 1 by R plus 1 equal to 19 into 3 by 2. 19 into 3 by 2. See, it comes to the division. 3 comes to the division. So 19 by 2 into 3, because it is in a product multiplication, it comes to the division. So it gives 1 by R plus 1 equal to 19 by 6. Okay. So now you can take the LCM. 1 plus R square plus R by R. 1 plus R square plus R by R equal to 19 by 6. Do the cross multiplication. See, cross multiplication. What is the value? 6 into 1 plus R square equal to 19R. 6 plus 6R plus 6R square equal to 19R. 6R square plus 6R minus 19R plus 6 equal to 0. You bring that 19r to this side. Okay, see here, 6r square. 6r square minus 13r plus 6 equal to 0. 6r square minus 13r equal to 0. What is the sum? Sum equal to minus 13, product equal to 36. So 36, 9 fours are 36, minus 9 minus 4 equal to minus 13, minus 9 into minus 4 equal to plus 36, but coefficient is there, so you can divide by 6. So what is the value we are getting? See here, r minus, cancel the term, r minus 3 by 2 into, cancel the term, r minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So r equal to 3 by 2 comma 2 by 3. What are the terms we are having? A by r comma a comma ar. We have taken the three consecutive terms are what? A by r comma a comma ar. You can take it as a equal to 3 and r equal to 3 by 2. A equal to 3 and r equal to 3 by 2. So what is the first one? A by r, 3 by 2, comma 3, comma 3 into 3 by 2. So what is the value for this? See, 3 get cancelled, it reciprocal, 2 comma 3 comma 9 by 2. 2 comma 3 comma 9 by 2. Suppose if I can take it as a equal to, suppose I can take it as a equal to 3 and r equal to 2 by 3. r equal to 2 by 3. Substitute in the same this, a by 2 by 3 comma, a by 2 by 3 comma, a is 3 comma 3 ar. Ar is what? A is 3 into 2 by 3. So what is the value for this? 9 by 2 comma 3 comma 2. So the product of the three terms are either 2 comma 3 comma 9 by 2 or 9 by 2 comma 3 comma 2. See the 10th sum. A man joined a company as assistant manager. The company gave him a starting salary of rupees 60,000 and agreed to increase his salary 5% annually. That is the increment, 5% annually. What will be his salary after 5 years? You already seen this type of sums in the 8th standard itself. See, what is the present salary, starting salary? 60,000. You can take it as that salary as a principal. See here, principal P equal to rupees 60,000. Okay. What is the annual increase? Annual increase of salary? 5%. That is the rate of interest. That is, you can take it as 5%. That is annual increase of salary. 5% is nothing but what? 5 by 100. Okay. What will be the expected salary? What will be his salary after 5 years? Amount equal to. What is the formula for this? Compound interest. What is the formula for this? Amount equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. You substitute everything in this given formula. See here, amount A equal to 60,000 into 1 plus r by 100, that is 5 by 100 whole power 5, n equal to 5 years. After 5 years, what will be his salary? So it gives 60,000. You can take the LCM. What is the LCM? Or you can 5 ones are 5, 20 sir. You can take the LCM. 20 plus 1 by 20 whole power 5. It gives 60,000 into 21 by 20 whole power 5. So it gives 60,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 2 3. Okay, what is the remaining thing? You multiply everything. You can do it in your F4 column. You multiply and check the answer also. The answer is, you multiply, you should multiply and do that and check the answer. Okay, multiply and check the answer. What is the value? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 160. So if you divide, what is the answer you are getting? If you divide 76.89. So what is the after 5 years? After 5 years is salary equal to, after 5 years is salary equal to rupees 76,577. After 5 years he will be getting the salary amount.